Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to create a bar chart in Canva quickly and easily, whether it's for a presentation, a school project, or to make your data pop on social media, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a great-looking bar chart from scratch in Canva step by step with zero design experience needed. Let's dive right in. First up, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. If you haven't already signed up, it's free to create an account, so don't let that hold you back. Once you're logged in and on the Canva homepage, you're ready for the next step. Now go ahead and click that bright Create button, usually tucked in at the top right corner of your screen. This is your starting point for anything new in Canva, whether it's a flyer, a video, or in this case, a custom chart. By choosing Create, you're telling Canva, I want to make something brand new and unique, and it's ready to help you get started. Next, you'll want to select Custom Size. This gives you total control over the dimensions of your project, which is perfect if you want your bar chart to fit into a particular space or template later, like maybe sliding it neatly into a report or website. For this example, let's go with 100 by 100 pixels. Type in 100 for both the width and height. This is just a small square, but you can change this depending on your needs. Once you've entered the size, click Create New Design, and Canva will open up a fresh, empty canvas that's ready for you to work your magic. Now let's actually get that bar chart onto your canvas. Look over at the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top, type in Bar Chart. You'll instantly see a whole range of bar chart options. Some are simple, others are a bit more colorful or stylized. Take a moment to scroll through and pick one that matches your style or the tone of your project. Click on the chart you like and it'll pop straight onto your custom canvas. With your bar chart now in place, it's time for the most important bit, adding your own details. Click on the chart to bring up the editing options. Here you can change the value of each bar, adjust the labels, and alter colors to match your branding or personal taste. For example, if you're comparing sales numbers, you might label each bar with a product name and set the heights to reflect your real data. Don't worry if it takes a minute to get everything just right. Canva makes editing really intuitive, so play around and make the chart reflect your information accurately. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you're almost done. Head up to the top right and hit the Share button. From the drop-down options, select Download and then choose PDF Print. This format is great because it preserves the crispness and layout of your chart, making it perfect for printing or adding to important documents. Click Download and your brand new bar chart will arrive in moments, ready to use. And there you have it, you've just created a professional-looking bar chart in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you run into any bumps along the way, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more clear and useful tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.